this is Howard Jai from Ask Communication. Here I'm again with another unboxing. You can see I have a box from Amazon Prime. I bought a TP-Link repeater that I want to share with you guys. If you are living in a big house, big apartment, if your router is distant from your computer, you need a repeater to extend the signal. So I bought a TP-Link repeater wall plug, so you can plug anywhere you like in this. This is new. I have so many videos of repeater. So this is something new version of repeater. So you see the box. My address and places is right in Salamanca, Spain. So without any further ado, let me use my knife to unbox this product. I'm gonna cut this pack. Here we go. Let me unpack. You see, Amazon give you a protection. This is nothing, a paper. And here is the product. So you can see TP-Link Wi-Fi range extender N300 2x2 memo. I don't know what is the meaning. They mean memo here. Wi-Fi dead zone killer, easy setup, tether app. The model number TL WA850RE. Let's see what else in the box. Nothing else. This box goes to the floor. Okay, let's see this part. What is written? Nothing special. The information, different information. The range here, you have bulb. Beautiful packaging overall from TP-Link. Always. Let me cut this pack using my knife. Okay, the pack is done. Let me open this one. Here we go. Okay, I think we should take this one as this. And here is the antenna. I have some catalog, manual inside, more paperwork. Let's see, I put one side here. Let's see. I have small paper here. Quick instruction from TP-Link. Quick instruction guide. How you can install, where you put, blah blah blah. So many things. I put one side. And here is the antenna, extender, repeater, whatever you say. Beautiful packaging, very beautiful and elegant. It's better than ever before. Let's take this out. Beautiful small repeater. See, it's wall plug, so you plug at the wall and you have to do some setup. It can extend your signal. Here you see is a button. I think you can lock and unlock if you want something else. This Ethernet, power, wireless, RE. You have different light, so it will appear while you are using. Here is right in TP-Link at the top. At the back side you have some data, some information. Nothing special, nothing fancy. At the bottom you have a reset button and you have a place for Ethernet cable. So I think this Ethernet cable, maybe you have to put first time for install this one, to set up this one. After that you may not need this one. So that could be only one time use. But look at the beauty. It's a beautiful antenna. Before I had so many repeaters, they were ugly sort of repeater. You had big one in the size. So this one is very beautiful comparing to the others. So this is unboxing video of TP-Link repeater. In my next video, I'm gonna do setup this one to my Wi-Fi. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye bye.